The goal of the blogger outreach strategy is to spark content collaborations with blogs that have recently published an article on a relevant topic. For example, we're writing a guest post on best link building tips, and we'd like to recruit some partners and get mentioned in their posts. Like this article by SEMrush that's mainly about SEO but mentions link building. Let's see how we can find such opportunities using Respona. There are only 2 fields that you need to fill out. Enter your target keywords in the first fields. We recommend entering 3 to 5 relevant keywords or using Respona's AI keyword suggestions to generate 20 ideas. In this example, I can ask Respona to suggest general and broad terms related to SEO. They will be used to configure the search queries. And in the last field, explain the incentives that you can offer your prospects in return for referencing your content. In this example, I'm going to say, as a thank you, I'd love to reference your guide in the next guest article I'm writing. You can get creative when it comes to offering incentives, but make sure to take your recipient's interests into consideration. This incentive is going to be pulled into your email sequence. Click Use this template to get into the campaign editor. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chances of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on the recipient's website, which will increase your reply rates. For this strategy, Respona uses the Google scraper to find opportunities. It has already put together your search strings with advanced search operators. You can also hover your cursor over the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, such as the content or the SEO managers. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around a 5th grade level and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring, which means every couple weeks or so. This will automatically rerun the search every couple of weeks, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed, as Respona will send you an email once the automation is complete. When ready, you can move on to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can make manual edits and, of course, review your AI variables. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn to create another touch point and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses.